Hi everyone and welcome back to my Forex channel. I hope you're doing well, and in this session I will be sharing my profits within 3 months time and how much I actually made it. So this video session will be slightly different than I usually upload, because in this video I will be sharing my profits from my trading journal from the past 3 months. But this video has a connection with the news I want to finally share with you all. This project took a lot of time to make, but I'm finally happy to say that I'm opening my Forex signals group, and if you're interested to follow my trades when I trade, please watch my video until the end for more information. So in my personal opinion, every dedicated trader should have any type of journal, as it does really help to track your trades, how it went, and even if the trade was not successful, you can make notes and definitely took that as a good lesson and learn from it. Like I know myself, I easily make small mistakes, but it's even quicker for me to learn from it and by basically analyzing what went wrong. For all of my trades, well, the most of them, I have used my main and favorite strategy, so I will be sharing this as well. As you can see, this journal is from 14th of December 2020 to 22nd of February 2021, and in this period of time I have managed to make $7,087. I had the worst and the best setups. There's been good and bad days. So the 19th of January 2021 was probably one of my best days. Really happy about the Euro USD trade, and as I said in my go-to strategy video, moving averages and raw price action can definitely work brilliant when you combine them in the correct order. So that combination brought me $1,075 in profit. So on the 12th of February, it wasn't the best day in my trader life, and I bet there is worse scenarios than this one, but on that day I can remember that emotions and like other stuff was basically kicking into my head, and I honestly don't know why I still decided to trade USD CAD. But as you can see, the emotions clearly affected on my results, and I said I never ever again doing this mistake for sure, because Forex trading isn't a race. All you want to be is you want to have a good setup. Everything needs to be basically on your side. You want to also be super calm when you trade in Forex, because as you can see, I mean, nobody likes minuses and losses. That's a great example of myself to you, that try to be super calm when you trading, because this can definitely reflect into your trades. So in 3 months time I took 18 trades in total, which I'm super proud of. Of course I could be better in regards to the losses, but it's all good. We all learn and improve from it. I mainly traded 1 to 2 trades per day, but as you can see, on 11th of January I was a bit crazy, 3 trades per day. I mean, thanks to me and the market, they turned out very positive. But that's all from my trading journal at the moment. Hopefully the March will bring better opportunities and the market will treat us all very well. And by the way guys, this is the same strategy I have been using. I placed 2 trades, so GBP/USD and USDJPY. They are currently in the profit of around $200. So if you're interested in how you can learn to make profits using this strategy, just keep on watching. So this is the strategy I mainly use to reach my profits. Sometimes I add different indicators to perform and take the maximum out of the market, but at the same time keeping my risk management well. So this strategy is super simple and easy to follow, and you can definitely implement into your trading journey. I'm mainly using the currency pairs that they tend to trend, so like USDJPY, NZDJPY, etc. And for this strategy I will be using NZDJPY on 1 hour chart frame to enter the trade. Of course, please remember to do technical and fundamental analysis like a price action before any entry, as this is the base for any successful trader. You know, I like to know how the market moves so I can predict what possibly can happen, and either to know what to do or, you know, how I can manage the situation. So in this strategy we will be using the moving averages of period 25 and 50. I like moving averages because it's great confirmation and actually a great indication of the direction on how the market moves, but also a great tool to help with an entry and exit points. The main rules for this strategy is to basically to follow the trend, watch how the moving averages crosses for entering the trade, and basically applying your knowledge to it. So I will show you a couple examples of a buy trades in regards to this strategy. Simple steps to add moving averages. All you have to do is go on indicators, type in MA, double click, and adjust default settings to 25 and 50. As you can see, I have identified my key horizontal levels of a support and resistance. Because of multiple rejections, market was in consolidation before it broke to this key level. We are currently in a downtrend, so what do we actually waiting for is basically for a market to break a downtrend towards the upside. Do kind of push and exhaustion move, because push and exhaustion is always good to have because it can definitely show you that we are in the right direction to enter the trade. And of course, we are waiting for moving average of period 25 to cross over the moving average of 50 to basically tell us that we are in a buyer's market, and more than likely we will go up. As I said, you can have additional indicators for an entry, and it's also good. So you can use MACD, RSI, stochastic, volume. There is unlimited ways what you can actually implement into the strategy as well. So let's actually play a replay tool on and to see what's basically happening. As you can see, the moving average is trending towards the downside at the moment, and we do see a break through our horizontal area of a sensitivity. So this is a great example on how you can profit using simple and raw price action with moving averages. So here is a nice entry. The price broke the trend line by retesting horizontal area of sensitivity, clearly showing that the buyer is stepping into the market. So have this push and exhaustion to previous area of sensitivity with a nice bullish engulfing candle. You can definitely see that the moving averages is starting to cross over. So the blue line is starting to cross over the yellow one of period 50. So we can definitely enter over here because stochastic crossover is definitely where the bullish engulfing candle being formed. Now this resistance level is acting right now as a support, and the moving averages is start going towards the upside. So everything what we need for an entry is ready to go. So this is how the trade went. We will be taking TP1 over here because of this higher time frame resistance level, just in case if the market will decide to turn around. But if it managed to break the resistance like in this scenario, we would be moving stop loss to an entry. So we at least locking take profit 1, and we can definitely extend all resistance that will act as a support, and we can definitely maximize even more in total of 106.7 pips. The risk to reward ratio is 1 to 3, but again, you manage your risk accordingly. So stop loss lower than a moving average is giving room for a market to breathe, and more than likely taking profit into these sections. So second example as well is on NZDJPY 1 hour chart. The market is in a squeeze pattern because of a downtrend, but we can also see a small uptrend started to form, showing the buyer's pressure. The blue line, which is the moving average of 25, crossed above 50 moving average. That's a great confirmation to showing that we are no more in a seller's market, and more than likely we will go towards the upside. So as I said, your stop loss should be slightly lower than moving averages or your support zone. As you can see, the trade we will be taking into the sections as well. The risk to reward ratio is 1 to 3, and we would be profiting 71.1 pips. So this is the key rules that you have to follow in regards to make profit. And as I said in the beginning of the video, I am launching my Forex Signals group in Telegram on the 6th of March. So if you like to follow my trades and make profits, make sure you follow me on my Instagram for more details on the 6th of March. Once again, thank you for watching me, and until next time, bye!